Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin in the browser you use every day. You do not need system settings. Open Safari or Chrome and then press Shift-Command-N. That creates a private or incognito window. Once done, make sure the window's appearance changes. Safari shows a darker address bar, Chrome labels it incognito. You're using this mode because it stops local history, cookies, and form autofill from persisting on your Macbook, so your next regular window stays unchanged. You now confirm what private actually does. It prevents browsing history, search entry, and cookies from being saved locally once the session ends. Open a site, sign in if needed, and check that your saved passwords or address autofill do not populate. Also, make sure to disable any extension that could leak data. Some extensions run in private mode unless you turn them off in preferences. Once finished, close the private window to erase the temporary session data from your MacBook. You're at the final step. Close the private window to complete the session and remove local traces, then reopen a normal window for everyday use. If you see saved items or activity, make sure extensions aren't allowed in private mode, go to Preferences, Extensions, and disable them for private. If problems persist, restart the browser and repeat Shift-Command-N. Sometimes an incorrectly opened window looks private but is not. That restart usually resolves lingering history or cookie issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.